Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris, and today I'm going shopping at a few different stores, and I'm going to use up my coupons. See, I have a bunch of coupons that I've accumulated over the year, and they expire December 31st. So I have to use these up or else I lose them. And I want to cash in for the products because I don't want to lose it. I've been doing this for the last few years. At the end of the year, I find all the coupons that I have and which ones are about to expire, and I go use them up. I am going to hit up Target, Wegmans, and maybe Green Planet. The problem is I have coupons. Most of them are free coupons, but not all of them are. So some of them are $1 off, some of them are buy one, get one free. Some of them are like 30% off. But I have certain coupons that for products that I've never seen around here. So I'm gonna give it one more shot where I'm gonna hit up the stores in my area and see if maybe that they have them so I don't lose the value of that coupon. And we're gonna see how much we can save, so let's get to it. Here we are at Green Planet Grocery in Fairmount, New York, and I have 9 coupons for some free bitchin' sauce. And luckily they're one of the only places around here that carry this, and they have so many different flavors, so I grabbed one of each. And they also have dip that's called This Dip is Nuts, and then Sweet Earth has this benevolent bacon, but I already used my coupon at Target, $3.99. Alright, so basically I got a basket full of bitchin' sauce. I have 9 coupons, 9 bitchin' sauce. I got about 4 different flavors in here. We're gonna have a really festive party this holiday season. Oh, I also brought one of the sweet ones, the apple pie sweet sauce one that bitchin' sauce sent me to give to the owner here at Green Planet because we're friends. They also told me I needed to check out these cupcakes by the Incredible Edible Cupcake, which is made fairly local, and it is free of all the allergens, and I guess they taste pretty good. I'd also like to mention, not coupon related, but while checking out, a really nice lady who was promoting her product offered us a sample of her avocado salsa dip, which I tried, and it was delicious. And it turns out, after talking to her for a little bit, that she is also a long-term vegan. And what's the name of the business?
Just simple avocado salsa dips.
And here is what I purchased for free $99. And then we headed over to Target and went to the plant-based meals and found a ton of Sweet Earth products. These are the coupons I have, and I'm going to get a couple different things here. I have $1 off coupon and 3 free coupons. So I'm going to get 2 curry tigers and 2 pad thai. I also have this coupon for a free pint of Ben & Jerry's, and I purposely saved it for when I went to Target, and here's why. This is the Target only exclusive flavor. It's a chocolate salted and swirled, and you can only find this at Target. And it's delicious, so I figured if I'm gonna get a Ben & Jerry's, I might as well get the best one. And I'm also gonna pick up some of this buffalo hot sauce because I'm out, and it's only $2.79. And they also have vegan mayo, right there, carefully crafted, vegan, certified, $3.99, certified vegan. And of course, this isn't new, but Annie's Vegan Mac, throw that in there. And here we have organic frosty flakes. This is, if you like frosted flakes but you want vegan, this is where to go. There's no D3 in it, and these are the ingredients, all organic, and yes, that sugar is not processed through bone char. $3.19. Oh, look here, what's this? Made in Nature? Made in Nature is a vegan company, and they have tons of product, and I've showed you guys so many different ones, but they have right in front of me one of my favorites. This is the mango, and I'm grabbing the 5-pack. I'm going straight for the 5-pack. Yep, $6.49 a pack, and I'm gonna grab all 3 of them there. They also have these figs and the apricot. But the mango here are one of my favorite products that they sell. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 3 here. Exactly 3. Exactly 3. We took them. I sure did. And I had to show you the Bob's Red Mill Egg Replacer because this is one of the best egg replacers, and it's $3.99 here at Target. If you're looking for a good egg replacer, this is actually the one I use for my crescent rolls, which are delicious, and these are the ingredients. And I've met Bob. He's a cool dude. I use your products all the time, and I thought I'd get a picture with you.
Well, thank you, Chris. I'm very blessed to have a picture with you, so thank you very much.
All right.
And in exchange for that, I'm going to give you my latest breakfast book.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's do this. Oh, what are you doing there? Bright light.
Yeah, I think he sings my favorite song.
Oh yeah, that little hum song.
Oh my gosh. How did you do it?
It is. You're crying. Everything's making you cry lately.
But there are Christmas miracles.
That's his little song. Now here's a kind of a funny story depending on how you look at it. I went to pay for the products and there was a new employee working and she was really nice, and when the bill came up to $0, she didn't know what to do, so she called her manager over, and the manager came over and right in front of me said, "I don't know, are these coupons legit?" And I used to be head of security at this store. It was a long time ago, but just don't do that. Don't say that in front of a customer. So right next door is Wegmans, and of course I'm gonna go to Wegmans for the rest of my coupons, and I had these Nadamu. Now these ones I didn't exactly have to use because there's no expiration date, and Nadamu love me, and I love Nadamu. So I grabbed some of my favorite flavors, the birthday cake, Rockiest Road, and the peanut butter, and put them right there in my cart, right where they belong. Yeah, and while I was here, I also noticed that Wayfair has 2 new flavors here at Wegmans, and this is the stuff that Joseph Lincoln brought over to our Christmas party at No Egg Craig's, which I show on my Vlogmas video, which you guys can check out on my second channel. I'll link it below if you're interested. But it's nice to know that Wegmans has it. Now when I was at Target, I thought I only had 3 coupons, but I found an extra 2 in my back pocket, so this is the same company that makes those mangoes, Made in Nature. These are definitely another one of my favorite products that they sell, and they're kind of like Cal chips all rolled up into a little ball of flavor. And out of the 3 flavors that they have, the broccoli cheddar here are my favorite. Tupasoken or not Tupasoken? Pasoken. I need peanut butter. Ask and you shall receive organic creamy peanut butter. And this is my cart, the Made in Nature and the Nadamu, and my balance is about to be $0. That's right, $0, and I saved $25.95. All right, you guys want to see my food haul for the end of the year when I have all my free coupons and $1 off coupons and whatever I had here. Today I went to Target and I got the Pad Thai, Curry Tiger. I got all 3 of these for free, and then this one was $1 off, so I only paid like $2 or something for that. These are like $6.50 or somewhere around there. Got these for free, and I got 3 of these. These are by the company Made in Nature. They have a ton of really cool products. It's not just the mangoes. I also got the Target only flavor of Ben & Jerry's. This is the chocolate salted swirl, and it's really good, and you can only buy it at Target. So I used my Ben & Jerry's coupon for that, and this came up to like $3. Then I went over to Wegmans, as you guys saw, and I got my Nadamu. I had 3 coupons for a free pound of Nadamu, so I got the I haven't seen the peppermint bark out in stores yet, so I got the chocolate peanut butter, which is really, these are all like my favorites. The birthday cake, super delicious, and of course the Rockiest Road for Nadamu. And then I also got, by the same company as the mangoes, the Made in Nature. These are kind of like, they're almost like Cal chips rolled up into a ball, and the broccoli cheddar are my favorite. They have like 3 different flavors of these. So I got those, and this came to $0.00. I got everything here for under like $3. I'd have to add it up real quick. Okay, after adding everything up from Green Planet, Wegmans, and Target, the total was $112.39, and I paid $2.99. I like all these products. The ice cream will probably bring it to a family event and share it with everybody. I really like these, so I'll probably snack on these. They're nice and healthy. The only ingredient is organic mango, and then I really like the Pad Thai and the curry, so if I don't feel like cooking one day, I'll dig into one of those. Like I said, I do this probably once a year when my coupons are about to expire, and usually go there. I think one year I got like $200 worth of stuff for like $5 or something like that. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies. Oh, and I am definitely doing Vlogmas on the other channel, Vegan Zombie 2. So if you want to see my daily, everyday shenanigans, what I'm doing leading up to Christmas, go over and check that out. We have some really fun things over there. I'll link it below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.